What's good? What's good? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. So we're going to be talking about Harmony One. Many people are worried about Harmony One due to the sell-off we've been experiencing over the last week. And I kind of wanted to talk about Harmony, and I see a double bottom coming on the technical analysis. So I wanted to talk about that. I think Harmony is about to enter into a very good buy zone. Not financial advice, just my opinion. But we're going to go over the technical analysis, a very quick overview of the website, and then my price predictions for the middle of April, for the end of April, and for the middle of May for Harmony One. All right, guys. So we're down 4% on the day. On the 7-day, we're up, not even 1%. It has been on a bit of a downtrend. You can kind of see on the 7-day chart that first bottom, right, the W shape, and then I think we're gonna hit a double bottom, but we'll get into that. So on the 1 month, we're up almost 300%. We had a nice climb for Harmony right here from about March 10th all the way up to March 28th. So basically the whole month, we did have some healthy dips, but we made a nice run up. Over the last 3 months, over 2,000%, incredible gains over the last couple of months. So currently the market cap is 1.43 billion. The 24-hour volume is low. We need to see that increase. 123 million with a circulating supply of 9.4 billion coins of Harmony. All right, guys. So very quick overview of the website, and then we'll head straight to the technical analysis. So Harmony aims to offer a fast and open blockchain for decentralized applications. So we're here on the website. So scaling Ethereum applications and cross-chain finance. So sharding and staking on the mainnet. How to scale Ethereum applications in 2021. Harmony is a sharding protocol with trustless Ethereum bridge. All right, guys. So we can see here 46 million blocks, 2.1 second finality, 5 million median stake. And we have our 0.15 full cap. The full cap is 1,991,000, all right, or 1 billion. So the protocol features here, guys. So it shows you how Harmony stacks up against Ethereum 2, Cosmos, and Polkadot. And you can see the stats here and how much quicker and better Harmony is showing you that its protocol features are than these other components, these other opponents. So we have the platform strength. So it's secure random state sharding, fast consensus with instant finality, effective POS, and token economics. All right, guys. And they're open community videos about Harmony. Do your own due diligence. If you're new to Harmony, please check out the website. Very, very important, as well as the open development. So more information on Harmony, as well as some news that's quite old. So if we head over to the Twitter, there's not much, guys. Not a lot of news being released for Harmony. The biggest news seems to be back on January 13th. All right, guys. So they do have their roadmap, which is something to look at. But as far as news, we don't see much here on the Twitter. So they have their 2021 Harmony Finance roadmap. We've gone over this once before, so we won't go over it again. So let's head into this. Technical analysis. This is TradingView, guys. Very reputable day trading website for all your trading needs and goodies. So on the 1 day, it's sitting in a neutral. Moving averages are a buy. Now, guys, if we go to the 1 week, it will be sitting in a buy. Moving averages a strong buy. However, if we move to the 4 hour, you'll see that we're in a sell. Moving averages strong sell. I do believe there's going to be a double bottom. So a couple scenarios here is here's the start to your double bottom, and then we kind of roll over and we go, we hit the bottom again, and then we start trending upwards. Kind of a W shape, almost like an inverse head and shoulders going on here, but more of a double bottom. So the possibilities here are that we break out where we are now and start to trend upwards, or we go down and find support at this bottom and create that double bottom before we start to trend back upwards, which I believe is much more likely to happen. So if I show you guys here on Binance, I've drawn a bit of a descending wedge here. This is your first bottom for the double bottom, and you can kind of see that we're descending towards hitting that bottom once again in the shape of this descending wedge. Now, if we were to get enough buying action, we could break out and start trending upwards. But I believe, it's just my opinion, it's not financial advice, that will continue to trend downwards, and we'll hit that support at about 0.12, and we'll hit that double bottom and then start trending upwards. So if we hit that 0.12, you can do something called a bid order, where you would, it's not financial advice, but it's what I'm going to be doing, is you place a bid. So I'll probably place my bid at about 0.13 right here. So if we get close to that double bottom, your purchase will go through, and then you can ride it back up. Now, if we were to break that double bottom, then our support line would be somewhere down here around 0.11. But I don't think that will happen, just because of we've had that beautiful run up, and now we're kind of having that healthy sell-off, and we're making that double bottom formation. So I suspect we'll hit that double bottom, and then we'll start trending back upwards. Now we can see here this is a 4-hour chart. If we look at the MACD, guys, remember the white line is the MACD, and then we have the red line, which is, see if I change, oh no, the color is fine, which is the signal line. Now we can see when the MACD crosses over the signal line, that's a bullish sign that will trend upwards. You can see it here, the MACD crosses over, and we start trending upwards. And then we start to see that sell-off, and the MACD rounds, comes back and starts going under, the signal line right here. You can see it's crossed over and starting to go under. So that's also a sign that will lean towards that double bottom. Currently on the RSI, on the 4-hour, we're sitting at 46. So the RSI is healthy. So if we switch it up to the 1 day here, again, you can see the MACD crossed over, and we started to sell off, right? So I believe we'll hit that double bottom and hopefully start trending back upwards. And then our resistance line here, let's go back to the 4-hour chart. Our resistance line will be at the neck. It's called the neck of the double bottom, which is right here. So you have the start to the double bottom, your first bottom, and then you have the neck, this tall green candle here, and then you go to the double bottom, the second bottom, and then you start trending upwards. So if we hit that double bottom, we start trending upwards, and we can push through the resistance at 0.17 and turn that into support, and kind of start, I'm going to zoom way out, turn that into support and kind of start trending back upwards. That's what we want to see with Harmony. It is a possibility if we can get that volume. But if we are to break through here, that's a bad sign that we will sell off quite a bit more. So we are in a bull market, so I will give bullish predictions. As if we were to hit that double bottom and start trending back upwards through April, and start trending, and hopefully, what I'm hoping for Harmony 1 is by mid-April we retest our high over the last month. Let's go to the month here. The high over the last month was right here, 0.21. So by mid-April, I'd like to be able to retest that. And if we can break through 0.21, well, we're going to keep trending upwards, as you can see here, and continue along this trend line, dip down and then you start trending back up, right? So hopefully we break that. So I'm going to say 0.21, 0.22. Hopefully we break that. It would be much better if we were at 0.25 by mid-April, but we're only 5 days away from mid-April. It's April 10th. So 0.22, if we hit that double bottom, we start trending back upwards, 0.22, 0.23 by mid-April, and then start trending back up, and hopefully we would continue on that, up, down, but on that upward trend, and reach 30 cents would be amazing for Harmony. I think we're due for a breakout, so 30 cents by the end of the month, and then of course you can't really predict that far ahead, but hopefully for a double bottom, guys, this is a great opportunity to buy. If we see it down at that 0.13, 13 cents, 12 cents, great opportunity to buy, not financial advice, and then start to trend back upwards and hopefully break that support at that resistance at 0.21 by mid-April, and then continue to trend upwards and hopefully reach 30 cents by the end of April, and hopefully 40 cents by mid-May for Harmony 1. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in the next one. Much love. Little hello from Mufasa and Sarabi. Haven't done that in a minute, so do a quick hello. Haha. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, much love. Take care. Bye-bye.